How to customize your LinkedIn URL. First of all, log into your account and go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the Me tab, then select View Profile. Next, click on the pencil icon next to Public Profile and URL on the right hand side of your profile page. This will take you to the settings where you can customize your URL. After that, click on the pencil icon next to your current URL. Type in a personalized URL that includes your name or professional brand. Keep it simple, professional, and easy to remember. Avoid using special characters or long strings of numbers. Once you have chosen your new URL, click Save. Your LinkedIn profile is now easier to share on resume, business card, email signature, and social media. A customized URL improves your personal branding and makes your profile look polished and professional. Now you know how to customize your LinkedIn URL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.